Welcome to your local news guy. There are reports of tornadoes moving at extremely high speeds. We're not sure if this is real, but stand shelter because it seems like it is.
We just issued a tornado watch. This is not a drill. This tornado can go faster than the takeoff speed of an airplane.
About other stuff, the Robloxian bank has been robbed, $400 million are lost, the police are trying to find who robbed IT. The tornado will touch down soon, get to shelter quick and stay safe. It seems like that the tornado has stopped. We are sorry for your loss. We hope not many died. We need to rebuild our world as a team. There will be more information on the storm later.